Hello teacher, welcome to my presentation. Before I start, let me tell you something about myself. My name is Kuntip Shunwong, you can call me New Year. Today, I would like to talk about the application of organic chemistry called sunscreen. Sunlight, which contains UV rays, is a major cause of the destruction of cells in the body, especially skin cells. It causes burn on the skin, premature aging, as well as the incidence of skin cancer. Sunscreen is useful to reflect or absorb to protect against the effects of UV rays on the skin. Sunscreen is divided into two types, which are physical sunscreen and chemical sunscreen. Physical sunscreen can prevent the skin from UV rays. It can reflect UV rays. On the other hand, chemical sunscreen can turn UV rays into non-damaging wavelength. Organic chemistry is the study of compounds that contain carbon called organic compounds. The compounds are formed by the attraction between atoms with covalent bond. Let's talk about its properties. Organic compounds are melted at lower 300 degrees Celsius, and it is less soluble in water than inorganic compounds. There are four types of organic compounds, which are aliphatic compounds, alicyclic compounds, aromatic compounds, and heterocyclic compounds. Now, I will bring you to know more about organic chemical substance in sunscreen. Firstly, oxybenzone is organic sunscreen that can block UVB with wavelength between 220 to 320 nanometers, and UVA with wavelength between 320 to 340 nanometers. It is better to use with other sunscreen, especially apobenzones. If it is used with high concentration, it might be allergy. Bevatrasenol is clear liquid that can be soluble in oil. This is used to increase sun protection factor or SPF in sunscreen product for blocking UVB. Moreover, it is a great stabilizer of apobenzones. Apobenzones is widely used as a UVA filter. The disadvantage is that it can cause free radicals that attract the skin. It is also absorbed into the upper skin layer and decomposed when exposed to UVA rays. Padimethyl is a derivative of para-aminobenzoic acids or PABA. It can protect the skin from UVB. This is now discontinued because it is very harmful to the skin. The product that contains padimethyl can cause irritation and free radicals that attract the skin when exposed to the sun. Homosalate can protect the skin from UVB. It is classified as a salicylate substance. People who have allergy to aspirin or salicylic acids can also have allergies with this substance. Homosalate is related to hormone disruption, and it may be enhance the absorption of pesticides. Ecamsol can protect the skin from UVA. This substance decomposes 40% after exposure to sunlight for 2 hours. The last one is bisoxazole. It is a sunscreen that absorbs radiation like chemical sunscreen and reflects the light like physical sunscreen. It does not cause irritation or allergic reactions. Nowadays, this substance is a good choice for protecting the skin from UV rays. Let's summarize what we have looked at. I have talked about the organic chemical substance in sunscreen. Each of them has different chemical structure, qualities, properties, and energy. Therefore, you should know the composition of the sunscreen to see that it can protect you from UV rays or not by looking at the label and the ingredients list on the sunscreen product. The ideal sunscreen should be able to provide good sun protection throughout the UV range, stable, waterproof, and long-lasting. Choosing a sunscreen depends on users. Allergies or irritations are not the same due to different skin types. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy my video.